Hi Ray, got a quick one. With the Instagram feed plugin, I've got active accounts here, and um, the plugin is turned on, which is good. And we're going through and filling in hashtags. I'll just get down to here. So this afternoon, quite a few hours ago, there it is. Okay, yeah, quite a few hours ago. It's only got 3 items, and it's doing what we said before, probably timing out. The images would load in the browser. I could see them all, but they're not going into the back end. So I've only got 3 items. Now, you wrote some code to recheck the hashtag. I can't remember what you said, if it was every hour, or I think you said every hour, but it's been, it's 8:30 at night now, and I did this one around midday. So there's other ones like this as well. It seems to be, I think the majority of hashtags that are getting changed are only doing a few images. So they're all timing out. It seems a bit odd. So anyway, that's the issue. So I'll leave it with you. Okay. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.